Memorial Weekend is here. Let summer begin. School is out, the pools are opening, and kids will soon be riding bikes, fishing at local ponds, and enjoying summer break. So please slow down and watch for children playing in the neighborhoods. But Memorial Day is also a time to remember why this holiday matters. This weekend, the Memorial Day ceremony at the Marietta National Cemetery will take place at noon on Monday. The ceremony will feature the posting of the colors honoring the valor and dedication of our armed forces. It's a time to honor the men and women who gave their lives serving our country and protecting our freedom. Thank you to every member of the armed forces for your service and sacrifice. And if you're looking for something a little different this weekend, move over checkers and chess. Mahjong is heating up. You can play Mahjong on Saturday at Vintage Wine Bar at 3 p.m. in Dallas. And for summer fun, the Splash Pad at Swift-Cantrell Park in Kennesaw opens Memorial Day weekend from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. Perfect for kids wanting to cool off and play in the water. Enjoy your Memorial Weekend, stay safe, and enjoy where you live. I'm Lori Walker, and I'll see you out and about.